Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating job posting. Founding engineer at Structured, a Y Combinator company. It's a seriously exciting opportunity.
Yeah, I saw this. The salary range is pretty impressive. $120,000 to $150,000, plus equity. But what really caught my eye is the any experience requirement. New grads are welcome. That's bold.
Totally. It speaks volumes about their confidence in their product and their need for fresh perspectives. They're not just looking for seasoned veterans. They want people who are hungry and ready to learn. They're redefining how developers build and deploy data apps, consolidating the entire analytics stack into code. Think of it as a massive efficiency boost.
So it's not just about writing code faster like Copilot, but about streamlining the entire process, from prototyping to deployment? That's a huge market.
Precisely. They're leveraging trends like local-first development and in-process data querying for faster iteration, lower latency, and simpler infrastructure. It's all about building tools that push the boundaries of modern data development, and the tech stack is killer. Python, TypeScript, Next, JS, React, Postgres, AWS/GCP, the whole shebang.
I see, but the job description emphasizes ambitious, scrappy, and product-minded. Isn't that a bit vague? How do they actually assess those qualities?
That's a good point. I think it's less about specific skills and more about attitude. They want people who are self-starters, willing to take ownership, and deeply care about the developer experience. The interview process probably focuses on assessing those traits. They're building the core SDK, interactive components, and solving hard problems. Real-time data sync, efficient cloud deployments, and scaling for production. It's a chance to shape the core architecture.
It sounds intense, but also incredibly rewarding. Working directly with the founders of a YC-backed startup, that's a dream for many engineers. And the team is small, only 3 people, right? That means significant ownership and equity.
Exactly. It's a small team of ex-Meta engineers, well-funded by YC, General Catalyst, and other top-tier investors. They're aiming for something big, and early employees will have a substantial stake in the company's success. It's a high-risk, high-reward situation, but the potential payoff is enormous.
So Structured itself, they're focused on streamlining API development with an AI-driven platform, right? Prompt-based tools for building and monitoring APIs. It's a niche, but a potentially lucrative one.
You got it. They're targeting developers and IT professionals, simplifying a complex process. It's all about faster innovation and enhanced productivity. This job posting is a great example of a company that's not just building a product, but building a team to match their ambitious vision. It's a fantastic opportunity for the right person. I think we've covered the main points.
Definitely. A really exciting opportunity for ambitious engineers. Thanks for breaking it down.
You're welcome. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you tomorrow with more exciting tech news. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.